Hello friends! Welcome back to our reading time. Today, we have a special story called The Little Blue Bird. Are you ready? Let's begin. One bright morning, a little blue bird flew out of her nest. She sang a cheerful song as she hopped from branch to branch. The other birds listened and joined in the song. Soon, the whole forest was filled with music. The little blue bird was happy because her song made everyone smile. Now it's your turn to read. Read the story line by line. Hello friends! Did you enjoy the story of the little blue bird? Great! Now let's check how well you remember the story. Are you ready for some fun comprehension activities? Let's go! What did the little blue bird do when she flew out of her nest? Think carefully and say your answer aloud. How did the other birds react to her song? What happened to the whole forest? Why was the little blue bird happy?